Hello dear friend, how are you? Today I will show you how to use our Zoom module. Connect with conventional detectors. This Zoom module connect 20 PCS conventional detector where with our FP300 addressable fire alarm system. Now I will show you how to use it. If you want to wear this module with the panel, you should wear the login positive to L1 point and the login negative to L2 point, and then the wear should back to the panel. This module also need to wear with 24V with the panel. This is wear with 24V positive. And this GND is where will 24V negativity of the panel. Here has two points. This 2 point is connected with conventional detector directly. And you need to wear a 4.7K register between them. Now we need to use this conventional detector where will this Zoom module, and then the Zoom module will register this 20 PCS small detector address into one. This 2 positive wear, and this is 2 negative wear. Now we go back to the conventional small detector base. This one is the 2 positive wear, and this one is the 2 negative wear. If you have the others small detector need to wear with this Zoom module, and the connection way is similar with your conventional fire alarm system. Also need to wear here.